Hi, welcome to my presentation on building an AI-powered chatbot for use in my information literacy class. In this class, college students learn essential skills for finding, evaluating, and using sources in their research papers. My goal is to integrate a conversational chatbot into the learning experience to support students as they navigate databases, refine search strategies, and build confidence in their ability to do research independently. Let's explore how libraries, instruction, and technology come together to support these essential skills. This project also allows me to explore a key research question. Can an AI chatbot improve students' search strategies and self-efficacy in academic research? Why a chatbot? Well, many students struggle with where to begin when starting a research assignment. Even when they are introduced to library databases, search tools, and citation managers, they can feel overwhelmed or unsure how to apply what they've learned. An AI chatbot offers 24/7 support, guiding students in real time as they work. It mimics a conversation they might have with a librarian, except it's available anytime they need it. This chatbot project has two main goals. First, to assist students with research tasks like finding databases, evaluating sources, and citing them correctly. Second, to investigate whether the chatbot improves students' confidence and independence in their research process, known as self-efficacy. The chatbot will be designed to do several things. It will recommend subject-specific databases, guide students through keyword strategies and Boolean logic, help them evaluate whether a source is scholarly or credible, and provide citation help in APA, MLA, and other styles. Using this approach will personalize learning and lower the barriers to research success. According to Lin and Yu 2023, chatbots allow for those students who may not want to ask for help on how to something out of the fear of looking stupid. There can be a shame that comes from shyness or feelings of inadequacies that keep them from reaching out. For teaching purposes, Attakuzaman and Ahmed 2022 used an information literacy self-efficacy self-assessment scale to help measure levels of certainty in their study subjects, leading to a better assessment of which students needed more help. This can be combined with the chatbot tool to increase levels of confidence. To shape the chatbot script, I'm focusing on the actual questions students ask during research. Things like, what's a peer-reviewed article? What is a database? And is there one for my subject? How do I create a citation? And is this website trustworthy? The chatbot will be designed to provide clear, helpful answers to questions such as these. To build the chatbot, I'll use a platform that supports natural language processing and customizable flow design, such as Dialogflow, GPT-based tools, or Microsoft Bot Framework. I'll begin by mapping out common student research scenarios. From there, I'll design a branching script that leads students through helpful questions and responses, much like a decision tree. The chatbot will guide students step by step, much like a librarian would. The chatbot will also include links to real library resources, database search tips, and short tutorials. The goal is not to replace the librarian, but to supplement instruction with a guided, hands-on tool students can use while they research. The chatbot will be embedded into the online course management system, available alongside readings, modules, and assignments. I'll introduce it early in the semester and encourage students to use it during our database search and source evaluation lessons. Assignments will include prompts where students are expected to consult the chatbot, such as selecting databases for a given topic or checking source credibility. I'll also track usage data and student reflections to measure engagement. It will serve as an always available research partner. The second part of my project is to research whether this chatbot improves students' research skills and self-efficacy. I will collect data in several ways. Pre- and post surveys measuring students' confidence in finding and using sources, a search strategy self-assessment, observation of improvement in annotated bibliographies or research paper proposals, and usage logs to track how students interact with the chatbot. I'll compare these results with past semesters to determine whether the chatbot boosts students' research independence and search success. Some anticipated challenges include ensuring that the chatbot gives accurate and current information, avoiding oversimplification of complex research skills, encouraging students to actually regularly use the chatbot. But I also see exciting opportunities, scaling support for students beyond classroom hours, building a digital literacy through AI interaction, offering multilingual support or accessibility features in the future. Madunik and Sovlik did a study on the application of GPT in information literacy instructional design, where they designed a small-scale chatbot as a supplementary teaching tool, kind of like what I want to do. Their findings were that it worked on a single class scale, and I'm hoping to be able to produce the same that they did. Here is the core research question I am exploring. Will using the chatbot improve how students search for information? Can it strengthen search strategies? Will it help them feel more capable and confident in doing research? And can this tool make academic research more approachable for all students? This chatbot isn't just a tech project. It's a way to reimagine how students interact with research help. By combining AI with thoughtful instructional design, we can give students guidance when they need it most and allow them to grow into stronger, more independent researchers. Wren's study on library instruction and college student self-efficacy in electronic information searching raised some interesting questions. One was the fact that there were two components, instruction and information literacy skills, and the assignment the students are actually working on. The question is, which part accounts for the self-efficacy? Another valid point the author made was in the relationship between self-efficacy and search performance. Does the student actually get better at searching or just feel like they did? For this, I may need to add in an assignment reflection part to the effectiveness study. In summary, I'm building a chatbot to enhance research instruction in my information literacy course, not just as a tool, but as a learning companion. By teaching students how to search smarter and evaluate more critically, this project aims to improve both research skills and confidence. And through my research, I hope to answer an important question. Can AI-powered support truly boost students' success in academic research? Thank you for listening. If you have any questions or ideas, I'd love to chat. Please reach out to me at the email that is on the screen.